Hey guys, so we're gonna do redo 13 here because the last one wasn't that good, and I'm finally getting to it because I have some free time. So 13. This is Collision of the Square Part 3 with radicals. Okay, this is like the big one. Like 11 and 12 have prepared you for this. This is Part 3 with radicals. So I set a reminder for myself. I'm going to demonstrate with 1, 3, and 5 because they're kind of different things. So you got 1 here. So you got to solve the clean square for this. So I put it down here. First thing I wanted to do here, I added 2 to both sides. So now we got rid of this, and we got the x terms on one side and the non-x terms on the other side. And then I did that thing that we did in 12 where I just added half of this squared, so that'd be 4 squared, and that's just 16, so I add that to both sides, and then that just disappears for some reason, and then they go together. So you take the x squared, and it's negative 4 squared, so you can mash that together. It's just x minus 4 all squared, and then 22 plus 16 is 38. So then your answers would be x minus 4. So x minus 4 equals plus or minus, because then you square, can you want to get rid of the square root symbol, this thing? So you square root them both. So then this just disappears. So then you have, and the parenthesis disappears, so you don't need it. So it's just x minus 4 equals plus or minus, so positive or negative, the square root of 38 here. So that's that's the answer to that one. So, and then, but you want to get everything on that side, so you minus 4 from both sides. And it's x equals 4 positive or negative square root of 38. And you just write it like that. So then your answer would be 4 positive or negative square root of 38. So now we're going to demonstrate with 3. So, 3, the first term is negative. So I found it best to multiply everything by negative 1 to make everything positive. And then, yeah, so then I just minus 5 from both sides. Now we've isolated the x terms. Then I added 2 divided by 2 squared. That's just 1. Because 2 divided by 2, that's 1 squared. 1 squared is still 1. So I added that to both sides. We got x squared and 1 squared, and mash that together. So x plus 1 squared equals 29. Then we unsquare it, so x plus 1 equals square root 29. Minus 1 from both sides. You got x equals negative 1, positive or negative square root 29. And then 5 is interesting. So you see, we have a number before the first thing here, 3 in this instance. So what I did is I minus 13 from both sides. We've isolated the ice terms. And you notice that these terms are now easily divisible by 3. So now I divided that by 3. So 3x squared divided by 3 is x squared. 18x divided by 3 is 6x. 87 divided by 3 is 29. Then we do the thing, x minus 2 squared, the x divided by 2 squared. That's just 9, so add 9 to both sides. Then we got x squared and 3 squared, match that together. X plus 3 all squared equals 38. Get rid of the square root. It's x plus 3 equals square root of 38. Minus 3 from both sides. It's x equals negative 3 plus or positive or negative square root of 38. And that's how you do that. I guess I'll do 6 just to show you guys again. So we had 5 in front this time. So I'm going to plus 8 to both sides. Now these are all divisible by 5. This goes down to x squared. Negative 7 goes down to negative 14. Negative 5 goes down to negative 1. Then negative 14 divided by 2 squared, that's just 49, because negative 14 divided by 2, negative 7 times squared, that's just positive 49. So then we have negative 1, that's just 48. Then we got x squared and 7 squared, negative 7 squared, so put that together. X minus 7 all squared equals 48. Get rid of the square. It's x minus 7 equals square root of 48. Add 7 to both sides. X equals 7, positive or negative square root of 48. And that's how you do it. That's how you do level 13. Have a nice day.